In this lesson, we're going to work with the order details endpoint. So in the Postman, let me open this endpoint, and here you can see that it's just a GET request, and this request will take the order ID and returns the order details. So let's try to create a method for this endpoint. Inside the Wheel Studio, let's copy this getOrderByUser method and paste it here. Right after that, let's rename this method to getOrderDetails. Then make sure to pass order ID in this method. Now let's copy the URL of your API endpoint and paste it here. If we go to the Postman, then here you can see that this request will return the list of order details. So instead of passing the list of order by user, we'll pass the list of order detail. Then make the return type of this method to task list of order detail. Alright, that's all from this lesson. Now I will see you in the next section.